FaceOn is an interactive installation exploring facial recognition. On approaching the door, you are given a challenge persona, for example, a female aged 41 to 55. The door will only open for faces that it considers belong to these categories. To gain entry, you may have to adopt a disguise by dressing up or using face-changing apps. FaceOn is a hands-on approach to interrogating hidden algorithms which make decisions about our identities. What are these categories in the eyes of the algorithm, and how do they compare to our own ideas about identity? The algorithm that makes the decisions in FaceOn is one developed by Microsoft and is widely available to integrate into projects. It felt like a good example of a typical facial recognition system that you might encounter elsewhere. A camera mounted on the door periodically takes pictures, which are sent off to the Microsoft API for analysis. If there's a match, a Raspberry Pi triggers an electromagnet, opening the door. To me, facial recognition is an exciting technology, but with potentially dangerous applications. It can never be 100% accurate, and we've seen time and again how these types of algorithm perpetuate bias and enforce stereotypes. There's an illusion here of objectivity, which in turn can stand in the way of accountability.